Mompreneurship Chronicles: Balancing Business and Family. Conversations with successful mompreneurs sharing insight on managing entrepreneurship alongside family life. Hello, fellow dreamers and doers, and welcome to a space where inspiration meets reality. A space where we engage in conversations with remarkable women who have mastered the art of being both mothers and entrepreneurs. Today, join me as we delve into the insightful journeys of successful mompreneurs, discovering the secrets of managing entrepreneurship alongside the beautiful chaos of family life. Picture this: juggling board meetings and bedtime stories, managing business deadlines and playdates. It's a delicate dance, and these mompreneurs are the choreographers of their own success. We often hear about the challenges, but today we are here to uncover the wisdom and triumphs that come with navigating these dual roles. What makes these women stand out is not just their business acumen, but their ability to embrace the ebb and flow of family life. They have turned their homes into a headquarters and playgrounds into brainstorming sessions. Their stories are a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the power of passion in propelling them forward. Now, let's explore the practical side of this intricate balance. What are the strategies these mompreneurs employ to seamlessly integrate their entrepreneurial pursuit with the demands of family life? How do they maintain focus during business calls while ensuring their children feel loved and supported? These conversations are not just about business, they are about finding harmony between two worlds, from time management tips to the importance of building a support system. Each insight is a nugget of wisdom that can resonate with aspiring mompreneurs and anyone navigating the delicate interplay of work and family. The journey of mompreneur is not a solo expedition, it's a shared experience. Together, let's learn from these women who have mastered the art of blending business savvy with nurturing hearts. They are proof that it's not about choosing one over the other, but about creating a harmonious symphony where both family and business thrive. So, grab a cup of inspiration and join me in this conversation with remarkable mompreneurs. May their stories inspire you, uplift you, and serve as a compass as you navigate the exciting terrain of entrepreneurship intertwined with the beautiful tapestry of family life. Welcome to the world of mompreneurs, where dreams are nurtured and business flourish within the warmth of a loving family.